So just finished machining these pieces for a dirt bike, and they're tiny. You can see they're small. The material's 40 thou thick, so they're stuck on with double stick tape. So how do you get them off the table without bending them? So let me vacuum all the chips off of here and I'll show you a trick. So if you put your pieces down and you use template tape, it's basically double stick tape that's like masking tape. This is router template tape. The one trick that makes this release pretty good is the same trick that bites you in the butt if you ever try to add any lubricant while you're cutting. WD-40. So just take some, soak it down, and wait. You can get the stem and you can flood all this real good. Just give it a little time to soak in, give it about 10 minutes, and it should come right off the table. We'll go ahead and put some of that on this corner too. All right, I'll come back in about 10 minutes. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. This has been soaking. I'm gonna take my favorite little scraper, which is the Wallboard Tools. Got it at Home Depot. So we'll see if we can slide this under here. Oh, that popped right out. Okay. That's how well that pulled loose. It didn't even bend this part of the metal. So now this is a trick to see if this will come up. Come right off of there. There we go. The WD-40 release trick. Works every time.